Let's start by adding hot water to the pot. Make sure the heat is at max. Then add a bit of olive oil and the spices that you want to add. I basically added black pepper, salt, basil, cumin, turmeric. All the ingredients that are added are given in the description below. And then add 400 grams of chicken breast. Boil them until the chicken is cooked. Also, let's add some celery stalk. We will take this out later. Add a bit of dill. Let everything simmer in low heat until the chicken is cooked. Chop one onion in small pieces. Also chop 3 garlic cloves. Grate 2-3 tomatoes. We will also be needing 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and 1 glass of noodles. Get them ready. Once you're sure the chicken is cooked, get them all out of the plate and put them into a separate one. Then start chopping them into small pieces, or you can do it by hand as I do. Take a pan, add a bit of olive oil, also some butter. Get them sizzled. Then start adding the noodles. I'm using whole wheat Turkish noodles. Once the noodles are brownish, add the onions, garlic, tomato paste, tomato that you grated. Mix them all together and then add it to the chicken broth that is still cooking. Let the noodles cook and then start adding the chicken that you chopped. After this point, you don't have to cook everything for too long. Just boil them once and then it's enough. Then you can start serving. You can also, when you're serving, you can add some fresh dill, olive oil and hot red pepper on top. Bon appetit, guys!